Afternoon students, today we are going some more problems on numerical integration, that is Simpson's rule and trapezoidal rule. First problem for today's class: calculate approximate value of integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx by taking n equal to 6 using Simpson's rule. Okay, we have to find this integration value 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx by taking n equal to 6. Already n value is given, and which rule we have to use? Simpson's rule. It's okay. Up to now we discussed some previous class example, but it is question is again it is given. Hence obtain the approximate value of log 7 to the base e to the 4 places of decimals. Means we have to find log 7 value to the base e for 4 decimal places. How means we will let us see how to find out this value. Since here given a equal to 0, integration b equal to 6 and n equal to 6, we have h equal to b minus a by n. That is 6 minus 0 by 6, 6 minus 0 means 6, 6 cancel, we get 1. So first starting with a, that is x not equal to 0, next plus adding h, 1 means 1 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6 up to b. How to get this one? And 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the table, these are the x values. For these x values we have to find y values. What is the y here? 1 by 1 plus x. 1 by 1 plus x, you have to find the values. 1 by 1 plus x, x values are, these are the x values, 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. X equal to 0, 1 by 1 we get, 1 means 1 by 2, 1 2 means 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7. At x equal to 6, y value is 1 by 7, 1 by 1 plus x. First value is y0, say y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. y0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి respective values. x0 value y0, x1 at x1 the function value is y1, at x2 the function value is y2, at x3 function value is y3, respectively y6. These are the values. So we have to substitute in the formula. What is the Simpson's rule? By Simpson's rule, integration value h by 3 y0 plus y6. First value and last value. Here we have last value is y6 and first value is y0. y0 plus y6, 4 into odd ordinates, 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into even ordinates, y2 plus y4. So substitute the values, we get 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 7 plus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Next plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Okay, simplification, we get 1 by 3 into 8 by 7 plus 16 by 5 plus 22 by 6. That equal to, after simplification using calculator, we get 1.9587. 1.9587 is the answer. It is, take this as the equation 1. But in the question we have to log 7 value. So by actual integration, what is the integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx? What is the value? Its value is log of 1 plus x 0 to 6. If you substitute 6 upper limit log 7, lower limit 0 means 1 plus 0 means log 1. Log 1 value what? 0. 0 means we will get only log 7. That is to with no base means it is base 7. It is equation 2. Integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx equal to log 7 to the base e. This is equation 2. From the equation 1 it is 1.957. Here LHS is integration 0 to 6 1 by 1 plus x dx. In the both the equation LHSs are equal, therefore from 1 and 2 RHSs are equal. Log 7 to the base a equal to 1.9587. 1.9587 is the log 7 value. Means it is up to this value is same. Up to this value is it is same, but we have to find out remaining extra is actual integration. We have to use the by actual integration, find out and compare equations 1 and 2, we get the value. Next problem, obtain the value of second problem, obtain the value of integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx, integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx using Simpson's rule. Using Simpson's rule by dividing interval 0 comma 1 into 4 equal parts. 0 comma 1 into 4 equal parts. Already it is given, you have to use Simpson's rule and 0 comma 1 into 4 equal parts, hence find the approximate value of pi. Here in this question we have to find extra pi value. Okay, we have to find this integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx value, and Simpson's rule, you have to use Simpson's rule and equal 4 equal parts, means n equal to 4 equal parts, and hence find the value of the phi. Okay, hence we have to find here pi value extra. So let us see how to find this value. So given f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, a equal to 0, b equal to 1 and n equal to 4. Number of equal parts are given 4. So h equal to b minus a by n, we have the formula 1 minus 0 by 4. B equal to 1, a equal to 1 minus 0 by 4, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. So we have to start with 0, x value is 0 and add 0.25, h value 0.25 and plus 0.25 means 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.25 means 0.75, 0.75 plus 0.25 means 5. We have to add h to every value. For every value ki h add చేస్తూ b value వచ్చే వరకే add చేస్తూ వెళ్ళాలి. These are the x values, that is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. ఈ values దగ్గర we have to find y values 1 by 1 plus x square. We get by using calculator, we get this is 1, what is y0 value, and 0.94 at x1 equal to 0.25, that is y1. At 0.5 x equal to 0.5 value we get 0.8, that is y2. At 0.75 function value is 0.64, that is y3. At x equal to 1, that is x4 equal to 1, y value 0.5, that is y4. Means we have to take y values are y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 respectively of x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 values. Then substitute in the formula. What is the formula? By Simpson's rule, h by 3 into y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 add ordinates plus 2 into sum of even ordinates, 2 into y2 plus y4 plus dash dash. Okay, h by 3 into y0 plus yn, first and last ordinate sum of, and next 4 into sum of odd ordinates plus 2 into sum of even ordinates. We have only up to y4. So h by 3 into y0 plus y4 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus 2 into y2, even ordinates. So substitute the values, we get 0.25, h value is 0.25 by 3, 1 plus 0.5 plus 4 into 0.94 plus 0.64 plus 2 into 0.8. After simplification we get 0.25 by 3, 1.5 plus 4 into 1.58 plus 1.6. Simplification 0.25 by 3 into 1.5 plus 6.32 plus 1.6. After simplification we get the answer is 0.785. Okay, integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to 0.785 is the answer. Let us take this as equation 1. In the question we have to find approximate value of pi. So here onwards extra we have to do the extra by actual integration. This is equation 1. Remember that integration value is 0.785, that is equation 1. So by actual integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. What is the integration? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x 0 to 1. We have the formula for integration 1 by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x 0 to 1 limits. So upper limit tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Lower limit is 0. So 1 means tan pi by 2. Tan inverse of tan pi by 4. tan inverse of tan 0, 0 means tan 0. This tan inverse tan cancel, we get pi by 4, tan inverse tan cancel, we get 0. That is pi by 4 minus 0 means pi by 4. Means integration 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x square equal to pi by 4. That is take it is a equation 2. From the equation 1, the integration value is 0.785. From the equation 2, the integration value is pi by 4. Both the equations LHS are equal, therefore RHS are equal. From equation 1 and 2, pi by 4 equal to 0.784, that is pi equal to 4. Here it is dividing, it will comes to this side, it will multiply 4 into 0.785. If you multiply, we get 3.14. 3.14 is the approximate value of pi. Okay, this is extra. To find the approximate value of any one is given in the previous problem, it is log 7 to the base e. In this it is pi. We have to find the up to here integration value is it is same. Next we have to use the actual integration. Actual integration, find the integral value, then compare both, we get the value of that quantity. Here pi equal to 3.14. Next homework problems. Evaluate integration 4 to 8 1 by x dx approximately by dividing 4 comma 8 into closed interval 4 comma 8 into 4 equal parts using Simpson's rule. Here it is given approximate value dividing n equal to 4 equal parts by Simpson's rule. 1 by x. Next find the value of integration 2 to 10 1 by 1 plus x dx by Simpson's rule by dividing range into 4 equal parts. Here also given Simpson's rule and n equal to 4. Next evaluate integration 0 to 1 by 1 plus x dx 1 by 1 plus x dx using trapezoidal rule. It is given trapezoidal rule by taking n equal to 4. In 3 problems n equal to 4 only. In the first problem it is Simpson's rule, integration is 4 to 8, and here Simpson's rule second problem interval is 2 to 8, and it is third trapezoidal rule and 0 to 1. Okay. Do the homework problems and completes this chapter, and complete your homework problems and complete fair notebook also. If you have any doubts, please feel free to call me or send a message through a social media WhatsApp group or mail. Okay, thank you.